Hey everyone, hope you're doing alright. Had a few questions that have been popping up on my last video I did on the Coleman single burner butane stove about the fuel, about the butane fuel for it, since it runs off butane and not propane. So the fuel that I use most of the time is just these Coleman cans. That's 8.8 ounces it says. They are at my local Walmart. Also, I bought these on Amazon, Gas One. They say they're just 8 ounces, so they're the same size can, but a little less fuel in it. And I got a 4-pack for like around $15, maybe $12-15, somewhere in there. So and they work. So the important thing to note when you're buying one of these is that the can needs to have this type of nozzle on the top here, and it also needs to have this niche right here, which both of these do. So let's see there, it's got the little niche. So that's the fuel, and it should work for them fine. Another thing that I was asked was a little bit of a close-up of how it fits in. So I will flip this around here so I can show you a little bit more of a close-up. Okay, so to show you how this fits in, we have the nozzle and we have the little niche. This goes into the niche, the nozzle goes into this little hole down here. So what we're going to do is lift this up, stick the nozzle part into that hole, let that fall down. This falls down, there's a little foot plate down here that catches the bottom of it, and so as long as it's that size can, it'll fit. Doesn't matter if it's this one or this one. And then when you go to engage it, you push the button down on the front, and as you can see, it pulls the foot plate, which pushes it and engages the release on the valve. So now if I were to turn on the gas, it would start flowing. Once I'm done, I can release, and there it goes, pops right back. So and it's open, and once it's in this state, you shouldn't hear any gas leaking. If you do, that means something's wrong with the can, that's damaged, so get rid of it. But as long as you don't hear any gas hissing out, then you should be fine, and you can even just close it up and leave it in there for travel if you wanted to, as long as you don't mess with this button on the front. But hope that answers those questions, and if you haven't checked out the other video, I'll put a link to it down in the comments section so you can check it out.